All right, welcome back, YouTube people and slot car junkies. Here we are back at Lugnut Speedway. You can catch us on Facebook as well. Please throw us a like, follow, subscribe, whatever. We got our super modifieds coming up here right now. We're going to go 25 laps for that. We got these are all cars that Lugnut Speedway owns. Trying to get these guys to get into these, and we just thought we'd run this class. They're fun. The cars are actually built by New York Modifieds, so give them a look-see too there on the internet. Other than that, sit back and enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. All right. Oof, man. That 8 car. I don't want to jinx anybody. But I think I'm gonna look out for that 8 car. So. All right, guys. 25 laps here. That's right. I'm just blaming on the track. They own it, not me. That's all right. 25 laps. You guys go for that last sticker. Well, I have to show the audience there too. I have to show them the sticker when we're done. Maybe we can sell them too on the store. You gotta earn those. All right, guys. Everybody ready? 3, 2, 1, green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, right flag. It's going to be 12, 8, 61, I think 13 and 99. That wheel, I was laughing in the video. That wheel come out and it got hit, and it just got ping pong all over the whole.
First I seen it over there, then I seen it over there.
Dude, that was so cool. Get him up there a little closer, would you? The 8 and 61 up there. 8 was second. Yep.
Oh, 8 was
second. Yep. And 13 and then 99. That was awesome. That was a good race too.
I didn't want to see that until it was over. Ran caution free.
Oh yeah, we ran caution free, but that wheel was taking some hits. So, all right, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Appreciate you guys watching. You guys keep watching. You got any questions or comments or anything? Shoot them my way. Have a good one. Thank you.